Have you ever found yourself in a crowded room, feeling a tickle in your throat, and wondered how to handle it without spreading germs or drawing too much attention? Or perhaps you have been around others who cough or sneeze, and you hoped they knew the best way to keep everyone healthy. Proper etiquette for coughing and sneezing is primarily about preventing the spread of respiratory droplets containing germs, which means covering your mouth and nose completely and then cleaning your hands thoroughly. It is a simple yet incredibly effective way to protect both yourself and those around you. When you cough or sneeze, tiny droplets of mucus and saliva can travel surprisingly far, up to 6 feet or more, carrying viruses and bacteria. These invisible particles can land on surfaces, be inhaled by others, or transfer from your hands to objects that other people touch. This is why covering your cough or sneeze correctly forms a crucial barrier, containing these droplets close to your body and stopping them from becoming airborne or landing on shared surfaces. This practice significantly reduces the chain of transmission for common illnesses like colds and the flu. The best way to cover a cough or sneeze is with a tissue, which you should then immediately throw away in a trash can. If a tissue is not available, cough or sneeze into your upper sleeve or elbow, rather than into your hands. Always wash your hands afterward with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer if soap and water are not accessible. Did you know that the force of a sneeze can exceed 100 miles per hour? That is faster than a cheetah. This incredible expulsion speed makes effective covering even more critical. Using your elbow, often called the vampire cough or sneeze, is a key technique because it keeps your hands free from germs, preventing their transfer to other people or shared surfaces like doorknobs and railings. By consistently practicing proper cough and sneeze etiquette, you not only demonstrate respect for the health and well-being of others, but you also become a frontline defender against the spread of infectious diseases. It is a small action with a profound impact on community health, helping to keep everyone safer and healthier, one covered cough at a time.